So next topic is comparison of fractions. Okay, now we have to compare the fractions, which is greater, which is smaller. If you learn the comparison of fractions, then you can arrange in ascending order, you can arrange in descending order, like this. Okay, and we can, which is greater, we can which is greater also we can write. So comparison of fractions, comparing like fractions. Okay, first is comparing like fractions. So now you have an idea of like fractions. Like fraction means, yes, the denominator should be same, then they are called like fractions. Already you have done the homework, I think. So comparison of comparing like fractions. So here, and one more thing I am telling you, preserve all these videos, because at the time of revision you can use all this. Okay, so again you can recall all this. So here one, just now I told you, one Cadbury bar is there, and it is divided into it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, here two Cadbury bars are there, that both are divided into 5 parts. So when both are divided into 5 parts, means the whole parts will write in the denominator. How many parts? You here 5 parts, here also 5 parts. Okay, but here how the shaded, how many I have shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Shaded means just you think that you ate or you have given to someone or to friends, like this. That is, how many are shaded here? Out of 5, 4 are shaded. So 4. And here out of 5, how many are shaded? 2 are shaded. Okay, so 4 by 5 and 2 by 5. So now you think that this much 2 Cadbury's bars were there, and your mother given to you 4 parts and to your brother 2 parts. So very nicely you will understand that you got the more parts. Okay, so 4 by 5 and 2 by 5, which is greater? 4 by 5 is greater, and both the denominators are same, that's why they are called like fraction. 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. So whenever, how to compare, how can you write which is greater? That method is like this, that when the denominators are same, that is like fraction, only for like fraction, then which numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Only you have to check the numerator, whose numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. So 4 by 5 and 2 by 5, 4 by 5 is greater. This is your concept. Okay, now we have to do comparing unlike fractions with same numerator. Comparing unlike fractions. Unlike means, now again you recall, you know very well, unlike means the denominator will be different. Okay, that they are called unlike. Comparing unlike fractions with same numerator will be same. Okay, so here suppose one whole Cadbury bar, then it is complete one. Here then it is complete one means it is a whole number, and that is, it is 1. Okay, whole number. Now same, it is divided into 2 parts. So you are getting only 1 part. Then how you will write this one? As a 1 by, how many divided into how many parts? 2 parts. 1 by 2. Here same again, divided into 3 parts. This much Cadbury bars are there. But nowadays we are getting cakes and all like this. Yeah, in trays it is coming like this. So here I am shading only 1 part. Then how you will write here? I already taught you. Now you also, I think it is easy for you to write divided into 3 parts. So 3 and 1 part is shaded. Here now divided into 4 parts and shading only 1 part. Means 1 part you are getting. Okay, so like this. Now it is divided into 5 parts, shading only 1 part. So 1 by 5. Now it is divided into 6 parts, shading only 1 part, 1 by 6. So very clearly you can see from this figure that whole number, that is 1, is greater than among all these all fractions. That's why I taught you in the beginning, that 1 is fraction is always less than 1. Okay, so this is whole number. 1 is almost greater among all these. And next is that it is divided into two parts, 1 by 2. That you got only one part. This is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 4. So this one is smaller than this. See, you can see by shading, this is smaller than this. This one is again smaller than this. This one is smaller, again smaller than this, and this one is again smaller. So we can arrange like this, that 1 is greater than half, and half is greater than 1 by 3, and 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 is greater than 1 by 4 is greater than, this is 1 by 4, greater than 1 by 5. See here, you are getting less, and here 1 by 6, 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 6. So this is also kind of comparisons, and here all the denominators are different, so they are unlike fractions. Unlike fractions with same numerator. See, all numerators, this is not a fraction. Now all numerators are same. So like this we will comparing unlike fractions with same numerator. You also do in your notebook and send to me. Okay, you can color also, it will look nice. Color with the crayons, then you can do. Right. So students, you do exercise 8.7, which fraction is greater in each pair. Just now I taught. So when the denominators are same, then I shown you like that you can easily compare 1 or 5 which is greater, 5 is greater, 4 and 3 which is greater, 4 is greater. So you put copy the question and put the sign like this, which is greater, that side mouth will be open, that is the greater sign. Now here how to do, here 1 by 8 and 1 by 4, so denominators are different. How can you compare? If the denominators are different, then you cannot compare. So you have to make the same denominator. So how can you convert 4 into 8? So multiply by 2. So this is 1 by 8 and this is 2 by 8. So 1 by 8 and 2 by 8. Now in like this only you can tell which is greater. 2 by 8 is greater. So whenever denominators are different, then you have to convert 3 by 5 and 5 by 10. So make it 10. How can you make 10? 2 into. Okay. Numerator also, denominator also. So 2 3s are 6. 5 2s are 10. 6 by 10 and 5 by 10. So now you can write which is greater. So and which fraction is smaller? Same. Just here you are choosing the greater one. Now smaller means the symbol will change. Like 2 by 15 and 7 by 15. So which is smaller? 2 by 15 is smaller. So you put the sign like this. Okay. 2 by 15. Here 4 by 9 and 1 by 9. Which is smaller? 1 by 9. Okay. Put the symbol like this. Now just now I told you that you can arrange in ascending order also. You put this symbol, and in same manner if the denominators are different, this denominator is 2, then can make it multiply by 2, then make all the denominators same, and you try to arrange in the ascending order, and this is descending order. So this is also your homework 8.7 up to A, B, C, D. No need to do all. You can choose also first one, third one, fifth one, like that also you can do. And if you are getting interest and all, then do all. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Students, just now you see this one is denominators are 10 and 15. So denominators they are not in the same tables. I mean that in 15 tables 10 is not there. In 10 tables 15 is not there. So you have to multiply with the you have to multiply with the list number, that is by 2 you multiply it. So 15 to 30. You have to check like this, 2 3 4 like this. So 30. And now 10, you can convert 10 into 30. Yes, 10 into 3. So first you convert this one, multiply by 2, and this is multiply by 2, and this one you multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. So it will become 3 by 30, 3 by 30, and it will become 2 by 30. Now you can compare which is greater, which is greater. This is which is smaller, no, which is smaller. So 2 is smaller. Okay, 2 is smaller. So you put the sign 2 is smaller like this. Okay. 2 is smaller than. So actually you have to put the sign like this because 2 is smaller. Okay, so put like this, 2 by 30 is smaller than 3 by 30.